All right, to Thailand now, where the country is about to begin its vaccination program. Let's find out when. Here's Kristel Dimarucot joining us live from Bangkok. Hello, Kristel.
Hello, Alma, and good afternoon to all our viewers around the world. Here are the latest updates here in Thailand. Thailand government has planned 3 phases of COVID-19 vaccination for citizens. The chief of the Disease Control Department said on Thursday that the first phase will cover 1 million people in vulnerable groups from February to April. Director General OPA's Karn Kawingpong said that 2 million doses would involve the first phase and will be used to lessen the rate of severe illness and death from COVID-19, as well as to maintain the national health system. From February to April, the government will set 2 million dose vaccination. It would be for 80,000 medical personnel and health volunteers, 20,000 disease control workers, 900 people aged 60 and over, and people with chronic diseases. He also stated that the first recipients would be the following: Samut Sakhon Province, Greater Bangkok, and the Eastern Province of Chonburi, Rayong, Chantanaburi, and Trat, which had high levels of infection and had been declared maximum control zones. Medical personnel who had contact with COVID-19 patients are most likely to be vaccinated, while disease control workers include officials at border checkpoints, disease control areas along the border, and field hospitals. The second phase would be given in May and June. It will include 26 doses to be given to people in vulnerable groups nationwide to protect the national economy, society, and security, while the third phase is set for later this year to early next year. This would involve vaccinating enough of the general population to develop herd immunity and stop the spread of COVID-19 at community level. With that, Alma, each person would need 2 doses, which is 4 weeks apart. It would take 1 to 2 months for the vaccine to have full effect, Dr. Opa said. He also added that COVID-19 cases were tending to slow down while recoveries were increasing. And that's the latest news here in Thailand. Back to you, Alma.
Thank you, Kristel, for your updates there. Stay safe.
Thank you. Reporting live from Bangkok, this is Kristel Dimarucot, and we live in interesting times.
Next, the Armed Forces